Mr Adeleke just received a Mercedes Benz gift. Watch Davido, father, family, and friends party inside a private jet.
Wow, 15 years? Okay. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Thank you, Swanky. Mr Adeleke. Wow. Okay. What is this? Oh wow, this is a pendant. Oh my god, gold edibles. I love it. I'll put it in my drink. You know, we drink gold now. Oh, Swanky Jerry, my man. What do you have here? Hot that shit. Wow.
Big Brother Naija Season 4 winner, African Magic Choice Award 2020 Best Dress winner, Mr Chania Adeleke has been gifted a white new Mercedes Benz GLC 350. Mercy is so lucky, no wonder one of her fans called her a child of grace.
Big money don't make noise. You need to know that.
Alright, to be big man picking good when things like Koro they so now, so you go just the fly private jets, no time. So when I know say Davido and in crew, they get what they do for United States of America. They good time tour. So they flex private jets. When I know say Davido papa get 2 private jet now. So no time. When your father is rich, you the son benefit. More this jet makes sense. So jeez. Hey, may God punish poverty, I beg. May God punish poverty. Oh, hey, Davido, enjoy your papa money. When I not say must play trumpet, I'm gonna hear the trumpet.
Shout down Denver, Colorado. OVO, the biggest in town, yeah. Some people be connecting flights. I took 7 hours to get here. What's up? My thing, yo. Took them 17 hours to get to ATL. Yo, it took them 17 hours. It took OBO 7. Please understand about the 7. Say that on the stress, yeah. No cap. Out here with the whole team. Who want fans me? Show your
Alright, so see the private jets with Davido and in friends, then they flex.
Hey, anyway, what's up, nigga? Hey, good time, Tom. Shout out. Hey, good time. CJ! Back in this bitch, what up, nigga? Well, be all day, man, day. Well, be all day, man, day.
Cause say baby boy touchdown. Koro made us do it, like because of Koro the guys fly this jet. The jets came at the right time. So this is Davido's sister preaching to Davido. Even Davido myself saying sister too like Bible things. It's still good. Make every family get prayer warrior. That one person we go to give devil uppercut, give am slap, give am backhand, anyhow we want time, go to stand in the gap for everybody. Everybody no go feel rugged now.
This life is someone aside of potatoes, and a little laptops.
Okay, perfect. You got the other baked baby potatoes?
Anything. My daddy, number one. I love you so much. Thank you for showing me the good life, daddy. My papa, man.
Alright, so as una they see Davido and him family, they party for their private jet. Oh, party after party, after party, after party, no time. So the sister, she did it with her Bible.
Give that. Ha! Ha! Give that back. It's gonna be shakawere. You're not serious.
Sharon, wake up. Sharon, my sister always reading Bible. Sharon, you love Bible. You love Bible.
Yes.
Wake up.
My sermon.
Wake up. Hey. Wake up, Joe. Wake up, Rachel. Hey. I think I enjoy it. Uncle. Hey. My dada. Yes, we're finding our way back.